Good evening, viewers, and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Foreign ministers of India and Thailand discuss bilateral ties, multilateral cooperation and regional developments in New Delhi. Prominent leaders of National People's Party from Ribhoi district joined Congress party. Government is trying to support the SSA teachers and hence relax the upper age limit to 45 years, says Education Minister Rakam Sangma. Party candidate will win the Gambabray by-election, says NPP leader Rakam Sangma. And Catholic faithful observed All Souls Day in Shillong. Now the news in detail. Minister of Foreign Affairs of Thailand, Maris Sangyam-Pongsa, who is on a 4-day visit to India, today met External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar in New Delhi. In a social media post, Dr. Jaishankar said the Thai foreign minister's visit for the royal Kathina ceremony exemplifies the long-standing historical and cultural relations between the two countries. They discuss India-Thailand ties, multilateral cooperation and regional developments. In a significant political shift, several prominent leaders of the National People's Party from Ribhoi district formally joined the Congress party yesterday in Nongpo. The event was marked by a warm reception from Congress leaders who expressed optimism that the new members would bring valuable experience and dedication. Among those who switched allegiance from the NPP to Congress were Min Singh Makri, Lawrence Nongrum and Stoin Sinkley, along with other leaders and supporters. The welcoming ceremony was led by District Congress President M.G. Karshan Lor in the presence of State Mahila Congress Joplin Scott Shilla and other key Congress leaders.
Nisdang naga district headquarter jongi. Nisdang naga Nongpo block congress. Basashi simpan. Sashi simpan. Nginpin hiem biang ya party congress. Kajingwan jongi ni ruang ba ki riu krau perkhan. Kandai kumshi benda bandang penuang dur susu. Bandang ai men sim susu ya party congress.
The dream of the SSA teachers to be regularized may not be fulfilled anytime soon, considering the fact that absorption of the 13,000 SSA teachers would put up a huge burden on the state exchequer. Education Minister Rakam Sangma said that the salary component in the SSA program was 90/10, and now it has been reduced to 70/30, and now it's going to reduce further to 50/50. He said that the government is trying to support the SSA teachers and hence the government relaxed the upper age limit of serving SSA teachers to 45 years so that they can be given more opportunities in the recruitment process.
Vacancies is there. So we will be, calling for advertisement again very soon. So those who are tempted to qualify to SSA is more or less like, because the salary component is from the government side, be it the government of India or government of Meghalaya. The buildings also belongs to the government, right? So having said so, there was the demand and request from the SSA teachers also. Common and all here in India, but since the number is very large, we are the highest in percentage. Highest in number, 13,000 plus teachers in SSA. So it is not possible to accommodate, to regularize, because the system in Meghalaya is completely different from the rest of the country. The cabinet has already decided to allow till the age of 45 years to those already serving as a teacher to apply in the education department for any government teachers. Recruitment as and when the vacancy arises.
NPP leader and cabinet minister Rakam Sangma said that the party candidate Mehtab Chandi will win the Gambagre by-election with record margin as support for her is growing with each passing day, claiming that the voters in the constituency now want to elect someone who will be in the ruling. Speaking to reporters, he said that the BJP's decision to join the fray will have a huge setback on the Congress as they were working together during the MP election.
The NPP will be coming out victorious with a record margin, it looks like, because the people's support is growing more and more because they've understood. Because 2023, Gambagiri was in wrong number because they have bought it. They don't know who will form the government. Therefore, unfortunately, they have voted for the Congress, and Saling was in the opposition. So now, maybe what happened for the best. Now, Gambagiri is getting the best opportunity. They can elect the MLAs who will be very much part of the government.
Kumligao in southwest Garo Hills held its largest ever Diwali celebration, attracting crowds from across the region. Organized by the Pragati Cultural Club of Kumligao, the event featured vibrant festivities including an elaborate Kali Puja, colorful light decorations and an array of diyas illuminating the night. Dr. Mukul Sangma, MLA of Songsak constituency and the leader of the opposition, attended as a guest, adding significance to the celebration. The women of Kumligao presented a captivating drama performance showcasing local talent and culture. A complaint has been lodged by parents of students to the Ribhoi Youth Association about Little Star Senior Secondary School in 9 Mile Baridua, Ribhoi district regarding the scheduling of exams during the Christmas period, specifically on December 23rd and 24th. In response, the Ribhoi Youth Association, led by President Ajit Makri and General Secretary Tirot Nongrum, met with Principal Varsha Sharma to clarify the situation. Following the meeting, Makri confirmed that there are no exams planned for those dates, suggesting that the parents may have misunderstood the situation. He urged parents to verify such information with school authorities rather than accepting it at face value.
Those are given this one, no, unknownly this one might be.
Kum gaseng nilayo ya komplain ben nilawan sene ban ya kendu ya headmistress badan lang mentahang ne tengi kwa ban pan ka jing shai ba hato ka decision em kum ka jing ong lu kitimi ba ka ne ka school ka pri haki ka pendo exam haki ki penai kreat lan ki prai shuti dah hadin bang nilayo jing shai ngis ngu ya medam ba ila pan shai ong ba I follow ya ka emboss but hadu kat kini ki snam ru ki shai peno ya exam hapo jong kita ki penai ta gamot ngakar padi gitu ki kini ki paru ba habab he complain pidi ben wat ya ka jing shisha you have to find the truth whether it is just rumors or whether it is true we have and find ba ka de ka jing shisha ne henry ban shukan tho ya ka school kamlong ka baba.
The Khasi Indigenous Foundation has officially unveiled the trophy for the winners of its highly anticipated talent competition scheduled to take place on November 11, 2024 at Madan That Mukhla Village, West Jaintia Hills District. This exciting event aims to promote the rich cultural heritage of the Khasi people. The competition has attracted an impressive 30 participants with only 10 selected as finalists. Director Niman Shadap has assured that the competition is genuine and beneficial for the young minds of the state. To ensure fairness, 70% of the votes will come from the judges, while 30% will come from the public. The event was graced by staffing Padak Kasit as the chief guest who launched the trophy.
Bagi pelong ikan ika Khasi dan cekot telan kebenang konghi ke thong jongi bang. Tumi iki kun samla nani kilong tumi long kpa ki badan ika takasap. Banjang haransan yang peni ika takasap. Ke iba ubloi ai ki ika takasap pakit pendan kamau. Kaba arpat kuma ni pensyai ni kapal sekepot kene unde ban amban yedi kataka kebut ne bandi kataka sak. Kan yang baik hi halor jong kataka nongrip badan kesak unyo kaburo.
The Khasi Students Union Nehu unit hosted a successful Khasi General Freshers Meet themed I Will Build My Country with Responsibility and Determination. This event inspired patriotism and commitment among attendees. The occasion was marked by the swearing-in ceremony for newly elected office bearers for the 2024-25. An award ceremony also honoured two outstanding students and PhD graduates for their exceptional academic achievements, encouraging excellence and motivating others. Renowned guest Samuel B. Jerwa, chairman of the Northeast Students Organization, and Lombok Starwell Marngar, president of the KSU, shared valuable guidance and insights.
Tongga jegi samlak puli ki jegi deng il haptur il haple
ni habar pun kena bangilah banyadon berkibai pangsa jumrio dari habar pun kena bangilong prai ilong kenrat ni itrai mulo ibajem ibasa brayo ya kan iba indo basia no blay ni barai ni indo basia na lu por pulo ma na por mai kumjoro apo sulban ni hu la bandar ibai pangsa jumrio bon puri le ibai sala ne wati brio ki batala basa hane Meghalaya ndrei maka sofu ngaban penting kana bangilong prai ni ya kan sulban.
Along with the rest of the world, the Catholic faithful in Shillong observed All Souls Day at the Catholic Cemetery in Layumkra. Christians remember the departed on this day and offer special prayers at their graves. All Souls Day is a day set apart to commemorate and pray for all the faithful departed. As a mark of remembrance, relatives and friends offered prayers and decorated their loved ones' graves with candles and flowers. A special mass service conducted by Most Reverend Archbishop Victor Lingdo was held in the cemetery. As Meghalaya's festive season begins, the state comes alive with an array of cultural events and festivals that attract tourists from around the world to its scenic landscapes. Here is a report.
Visitors are especially drawn by the promise of experiencing the cherry blossom season, an extraordinary autumnal display that paints the hillside in soft pink hues, capturing Meghalaya's natural beauty. Alongside this, the state dynamic music festivals serve as a major attraction, uniting local and international artists to create memorable experiences filled with rhythm and celebration.
Seen on Instagram about this cherry blossom tree, and I was hoping to come and see the cherry blossom bloom, but sadly it seems it hasn't yet bloomed. I could just see a few, specks of pink, which is very gorgeous. So hopefully we'll be staying here till the evening, and most probably we might extend our trip, vacation to see the cherry blossom bloom.
We have come all the way from Guwahati in the early morning just to attend this fest, and it's a very nice vibe. Shillong is gearing up with lots of festival. Cherry blossom is on the way, so everything is perfect. So we all have done our tickets to see the fest, and you can see the excitement all over. The atmosphere is whole, it's a vibes, is something very different.
Kicking off the season is Korean M, a unique cultural collaboration between Korea and Meghalaya. Hosted at Shillong Picture Square, Watts Lake, tourists have shared their excitement for these festivities, with many calling the cherry blossoms a breathtaking natural spectacles and the music events an ideal fusions of traditional and festivity. Bureau reports, DD News, Meghalaya.
And now let's move to the weather report. The minimum temperature was recorded at 13.3 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature at 22.3 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 67%, while in the evening it rose to 78%. The forecast states, light to moderate rain with possibility of shallow to moderate fog is likely to at few places. And now, before we end the news, let's look at the headlines once again. Foreign ministers of India and Thailand discuss bilateral ties, multilateral cooperation and regional developments in New Delhi. Prominent leaders of National People's Party from Ribhoi district joined Congress party. Government is trying to support the SSA teachers and hence relax the upper age limit to 45 years, says Education Minister Rakam Sangma. Party candidate will win the Gambagre by-election, says NPP leader Rakam Sangma. And Catholic faithful observed All Souls Day in Shillong. Well, viewers, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Thank you and have a happy and safe Diwali.